So in the previous video, we saw how we can set up Hermes locally on a computer using the CLI. But this time I have a new update with it, which is Hermes Desktop. And we're going to install this locally on a computer as well. I'm going to show you how you can use the desktop version of it with the graphical user interface. And I'm going to show you a couple of ways to install it using Winget, as well as if you want to install it using a one-click installer, whether you're on Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. And at the end, I'm going to show you how you're going to use tools as well as set up a gateway with it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to get started with the installation, all you have to do is go to releases right over here. And all you have to do is choose the release that is suitable for your operating system. So if I'm running Windows, I'm going to go with a .exe file right over here. And if you're on macOS, go with the DMG file, and you can also go with source code zips. So I can download the exe right over here by just clicking here, and this should start the download, as you can see. Now, once you have it downloaded, you can just go ahead and start installation. It's pretty simple installation. Once everything is installed, and if you have Hermes CLI already on a computer, it's going to be a smooth ride. So it's going to start the Hermes agent right away by detecting the already existing CLI agent that you have. But if you don't have one, you can install that by just clicking start installation button right over here. Because I already had a CLI agent, that's why we had to skip that step. Now, just to keep this video as short as possible, dive right into the tools. And I'm going to be using one of these tools, let's say image generation or maybe web search. So I'm just going to go back to chat right over here. Now, before you start with the chat, you should make sure that you have a provider API key. I'm using Owl Alpha, which is a free-tier model by OpenRouter. So I have the OpenRouter's API key in my providers section right over here. You can see that we have the provider OpenRouter and I have the API key right over here. I can even use OpenAI's API key, which I have right here. So it's totally up to you which option you want to go with, the free ones or the paid ones. So I'm going to be conducting a really simple test. I'm going to ask it to go and search the web and give me the stock prices for petrol today. So there you go. We have the United States regular gasoline. So these are the prices for USA, Europe, and other regions like Canada, Australia, India, Saudi Arabia, and Nigeria. So this means that the web search tool is working and we can actually interact with this model for free. So you can use Owl Alpha, which is a free open router model. Pretty good. This was it for this video. Now, what I wanted was to integrate a gateway with it, like Telegram or maybe Discord. So I'm going to be doing that in the next video, where I'm going to be solely focusing on how to set up gateways via Hermes Agent desktop version. So with that said, let's wrap this video up and I'll see you in the next one.